was a very tragic fire which has cost the life of an elderly man. We don't know how the fire started. That's something that would have to be investigated by the fire brigade and the police. But it's obviously very tragic that a life has been lost. This is one of the few times that you have a death because people generally can move. But because this was an elderly gentleman with limited mobility, he obviously couldn't move in time to get out of the house. So I want to extend condolences to his family and those who were his caregivers. And we are committed to helping those who would have been affected. He was the only person living here, but he had a youngster who helped him in terms of cooking for him and taking care of him. I'm told he's not a direct relative, but was somebody who took care of him and apparently had actually gone to the house earlier, went out to get something to cook for him, and while he was out, the house caught a fire.